What's up, YouTube fam? Old Prog head Tom here, back with another reaction. Going through more Haken, continuing through the Fauna album. As I've mentioned, done a couple of recent Haken reactions, and I'm going to be seeing them here in concert in Atlanta next week, here in Atlanta, Georgia. And they're going to do a long show, and the entire first set is their album from 2023. So obviously they're touring in support of that album from last year. Fauna is the album, and I'm going to do tonight track number 2 on that album. I've already done a few of the tracks, but I decided, since I realized or checked out their set list, that they're doing this entire album, decided to go back to the beginning and just go through this whole album. So Nightingale is track number 2. So that's the one we're going to do tonight. Nightingale from, again, Fauna from 2023. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please comment down below other things I need to check out, or what do you think of this album and so forth. And again, hit that like. Again, only a small percentage of you that watch hit the like button, so we can get that up. We can really help the channel grow. Also, keep an eye out for my Patreon announcement. I just created a Patreon channel. I don't have anything up, haven't like officially launched it yet, where people can actually join. But I'm gonna get that started shortly, where people can join, and we can do some things on Patreon that we can't do on YouTube, and hopefully that'll help grow and allow me to do even more things. If you know, sometimes there's a lot of groups and so forth I do on YouTube that I can't monetize. They just don't allow it. Most people don't, but I mean, most people are okay. But there are some specific groups, and particularly some of your favorites, some of my favorites, that don't allow monetization. So we be able to do that stuff on Patreon, and I get a little rewarded for my work. And if you're enjoying the content, then you can show your appreciation that way. So thank you so much. Appreciate that, and keep an eye out for that announcement. All right. So, cheers. I got some bourbon in the glass. Now, I haven't done a lot of bourbon lately because I've been doing a lot of recording during the daytime, and I don't drink all day long. So, anyway, Redwood Empire, Pipe Dream is the name of this particular release from Redwood Empire. They are actually wine growers from out in Sonoma County, California. They decided to start making bourbon. So, solid stuff. 90 proof, so it's a nice easy drinker, daytime. It's not daytime, but weekday drinkers, and what I meant to say at a lower proof like that. But it's solid stuff. They've got some other offerings I need to check out. So if you're familiar with any of their stuff, tell me what I need to check out. So all right, so here we go. Haken, Nightingale. Let's jump right into it and see what we think. Ooh, nice keyboard open. Little birds. Ooh, what is that? That's some type of percussion instrument, or is that a synthesizer? Ooh, got a little heavy. Big drum fills there.
Perception of passing time.
Much more prominent vocals on this one.
Struggle to escape her mind.
A little echo on the vocals.
New perspectives to redefine. Birdsong awakens her from the storm. Shuffle the sequence of old paradigms. The rhyme and meter still miss.
This is cool.
Poetic justice,
a little doubling on the vocals there.
When characters and places start to form, a sullen emperor endures his requiem. Can he live with this lament? A mechanical animal, a dangerous game. That's
heavy minor chords, getting that tension going. It got dark. It wasn't this dark in the beginning. It got dark. Now from that to this, that's Haken. That's the Haken I know. Well, maybe the heavy isn't done. Interesting kind of wistful, atmospheric feeling here. Wow. All right. So that's 2 for 2. The first 2 tracks of this album, where it's been pretty hard. I mean, that one started out a little melodic in the beginning, but man, it got dark and heavy there towards the middle, and had that little break. Like I said, it's kind of wistful break in the middle there, where it got kind of quiet with the little synthy sounds and so forth. But other than that, man, it was driving hard most of the time. So. And again, all in those minor chords, that same kind of tension building, that hard driving tension building kind of feel to it. So interesting so far. So first 2 tracks on this album, pretty heavy. But I know the whole album's not like that, because I reacted to a few more of these tracks already. So anyway, yeah, good stuff from Haken. Again, I'm really looking forward to the concert. And we'll try to get through this album and maybe some of the other tracks on that set list. So thank you, everybody, for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Again, please hit that like button. Please subscribe, comment down below, and thank you all once again. And a big shout out, as always, to active military veterans and first responders. Thank you for everything that you do. We appreciate your service. And always wrap it up saying the only rule that you need is the golden rule. Peace, everybody. We'll see you next time.